Benefits of interactive multi-touch books. Its interactivity increases student motivation thanks to the multiple applications installed in our books that go deeper into the topics covered. This multi-stimulus resource facilitates the cognitive process for different types of learning styles. Additionally, our contents are based on new methodologies such as the SAMR model, flipped classroom, project-based learning, gamification that enable the use of TICs in class, promote argumentation, conceptualization, and the application of knowledge to problems in the real world, as well as creating an ideal environment for self-regulation. The contents represent a contemporary context and can be constantly updated without reprinting, thus significantly reducing the use of paper. Our books do not rely on internet connectivity. Thanks to the curricular structure, teachers find it easy to incorporate technology with new methodologies by developing the skills of the 21st century.